Yes, we're seeing in the markets a rate of selling by insiders nearing a market top, nearing a top that you saw in October 2007. And the insider sales are dwarfing the buys, both in frequency and volume. So insiders are selling their stocks in multi-million-dollar blocks, while the buys are only in the thousands of dollar range. The blocks of shares that insiders are selling is in like the tens of millions of dollars in the last few weeks, while the markets were rallying.
So it's a massive pump and dump scam, isn't it? The public is being encouraged to buy into this rally with the crazy people like Cramer over at CNBC saying, buy the rally, buy the rally. Meanwhile, the insiders, the smart money, is getting out. That should be illegal, I would think, but, you know, it's allowed.
Well, it's not just the television people telling them to buy. It's Peter Orszag, the the White House's own budget official.
This really points toward the rise of this financial oligarchy that just doesn't seem to be covered by any laws at all, or any ethics or morality at all. Well, let's take a look at something else here, a strange phenomenon, and I thank you for bringing it to our attention, is the late market trading. Why don't you set this up for us, and then we'll play this little vid.
Well, as I mentioned, markets have been going up in the last 6-7 weeks. And on Fox News this week, they had an interesting interview with Dan Schaefer of Schaefer Asset Management, who follows the futures markets, and this is what he had to say.
I watch the futures every day, every tick. And tremendous amount of volume came in at several points during the last few weeks when the market was just about ready to break and shot right up again. And I'll give you
usually toward the end of the day.
Usually toward the end of the day. A week ago Friday, at 7 minutes to 4 o'clock, almost 100,000 S&P futures contracts were traded. And then in the last 5 minutes up to 4 o'clock, another 100,000 contracts were traded.
Yeah, Stacy, I've worked on Wall Street for many years, and this is what they call painting the tape. The idea is if you put a lot of buy orders in at the close and you get an uptick for the day, then the papers report it the next day as having had an up day the previous day. And psychologically, this sets people up to go in there and buy some more.